Hey guys, this is Mr. Williams, and we're starting Unit 3 today on inequalities. Remember, inequalities show relationships between two or more things that are not equal. So on your paper, take a second, go ahead and copy that down. Inequalities show relationship between two or more things that are not equal. This should be a review from middle school. Remember, the alligator eat the bigger side. So this is the greater side. This is the lesser side. This is the greater side, this is the lesser side. So the alligator always eats the bigger number, so always the greater side. This little line beneath the inequality means are equal to. So whenever you see a line that means are equal to, it means that number is included in your solution. So let's take a minute to copy down the definition of inequalities and these things here. If you have to pause the video so you can get it down. Take your time. Pause the video. I'm going to erase in 5 seconds. Okay, nice. That's erase. So, on your paper, you have right here, your handout, you have the Explore section. I'm going to show you how to graph 3 solutions of inequalities. It is very important we can all graph inequalities. Very important. So the first one, we have x is greater than 2. Remember, this is the greater side. The alligator always eats the bigger number. So x is greater than 2. So on your number line, you're going to go to 2 on your number line. You can put an open circle because x is not included. Open circle. And what numbers are greater than 1 and greater than 2? To the right. It means that all these numbers, 3, 4, 5, are bigger than 2, are greater than 2. So that's how you graph an inequality solution. So x can be any number as long as it's bigger than 2. You put an open circle because 2 is not equal to, 2 is not part of our solution. So let's copy that down. Let's do the next one. You have x is less than negative 2. Or negative 2 is greater than x. So you can go to negative 2 on your timeline. Open circle on negative 2. Make sure you copy this on your handout. If x is less than negative 2, you go to the left because all these numbers are less than negative 2. You have negative 3, negative 4, negative 5 are less than negative 2. Let's take 20 seconds to quickly copy that down. If you have to, you can pause the video to copy it down. Pause the video. Let's keep moving. Let's do the next two. So we have x is greater than negative 3 or x is less than 8. So guys, do it the same way. Do not be confused by the or. Graph each one separately on the same graph. So let's start with the first one. X is greater than negative 3. So go to negative 3 on your timeline. Put an open circle. If x is less than greater than negative 3, go to the right. Then you're going to go to 8 on your timeline. Put an open circle. And x is less than 8, go to the left. It makes a dumbbell like that. Again, pause the video if you have to and copy that down. This is the last one. You're going to start from, you have negative 3. So that means that always start from your variable of inequality. So x is less than negative 3 and x is greater than 8. This is an and inequality. So do not be overwhelmed. Just graph it separately. So break it up. Do the first one. So let's do x is less than negative 3. So go to negative 3 on your timeline. Open circle. If x is negative 3, you can go to the left. Looks like that. The next one, x is greater than or equal to 8. So you can go to 8 on your timeline. If it's equal to, guys, you're going to put a solid circle. It means that it's part of your solution. So it's still in your circle. And if x is greater than 8, you can go to the right. Like I said. So let's take a moment to write that on your paper. Again, if you have to pause the video if you can. So let's erase that. Next, let's take some notes. Let's take notes. So again, if you have to pause the video, you can always pause the video and copy down the notes. So, to graph an inequality, you're going to start at your variable. Start at your variable. You're going to mark the spot on the number line with a circle. If the number can be equal to the bound, fill the circle in. If not, leave it open. Determine if the variable is on the greater side or on the less side of the inequality. Then shade the numbers on the number line that's on that side of the circle. Check your work by picking a number from the graph that's within your solution set. Substitute it in for this variable and ensure it makes a true statement. So again, pause the video if you can to copy down the notes. Pause the video. So now I'm going to do one more problem before you do some yourself. So on your paper, next to your notes, looks like this. Is the problem right to the right of your notes? So we have 3 is less than x, less than or equal to 5. To graph that, guys, start from your variable. So x is greater than 3. So I'm going to go to 3 on my time number line. Put an open circle and to the right. Then we'll go to 5. Put it closer because it's equal to, and to the left. Looks like that. So guys, let's take the next 20 minutes of working on your own pace. Complete the other problems on the try problems. When you're done, flip it over and do some more practice on the back. If you need help, go back, rewatch the video, read the notes, and ask me if you need help. Thank you. So again, guys, this is only the first video. They're going to get much better. We see how it's going to get much better, I promise. So remember, go back, pause it, rewind, do what you have to do to understand it.